Well, hello, my starry-eyed solvers. Sarah here, gliding in with red glasses, a smirk full of secrets, and just enough mischief to make your neurons cancel their afternoon nap. Today, we're diving brush first into a masterpiece of mystery, a wonderful swirl of genius, and an optical illusion so cheeky. It's been confusing the world for centuries. Welcome to Quizzes with Flair, where your brain gets a stretch, your eyebrows do the wave, and your inner art critic starts whispering, "Ooh, clever." Now, today's quiz? It's dipped in brilliance, framed in intrigue, and inspired by the man who basically said, "Why paint what's obvious when you can paint what haunts your peripheral vision?" He was an inventor, an artist, a visionary, and quite possibly the original troll with a paintbrush. So my lovelies, here's your quiz for today. I painted no smiles but inspired 1,000. My lady is known, yet her name stays silent. I hang behind glass, I travel no more. My fame's a riddle behind a door. Who am I? Think you've cracked the canvas? Drop your guess with hashtag Quizzes with Flair, and don't forget to tap that bell. I've got more quizzes than Mona's got secrets. If what we see shifts, depending on where we look, how often do we miss magic by staring in the wrong direction? Leonardo da Vinci used a technique called sfumato to make the Mona Lisa's smile appear and vanish depending on where your eyes land. Look directly at her lips, gone. Glance elsewhere, she smiles again. That's not just art, darling. That's neurovisual sorcery centuries ahead of its time. So, did today's quiz tickle your inner genius? Pop your guess in the comments and every reply joins the spin wheel lineup. One lucky solver gets picked a week later and might just bag a brainy little treat from Take-A-Lot, Apple, Amazon, Uber, Spotify, your pick. Now, let's rewind and see who brought the spark to last week's quiz. That wheel's spinning, and someone's about to shine brighter than my red glasses under gallery lights. Ready to play again tomorrow? I'll be here. Same time, same sass, same red glasses. Let's play. Congratulations to our lucky winner. You'll be receiving a message in your comments soon. Please keep an eye out for our correspondence so we can get your voucher to you. And if it wasn't you this time, don't worry. Keep playing because tomorrow you could be the lucky winner.